first like video where like it's like my first video where like I guess you could say like I could just like introduce this channel to you guys or whatever. Uh, so I guess like first off, you feel me? I just want to say that okay, boom. I was born in Haiti. You feel me? I was born in Haiti. Marchand des Salines. That is like a part of the Artibonite region of Haiti. You feel me? Which I actually found out was the first capital of Haiti before Port-au-Prince. But yeah. So yeah, I come from Artibonite, you know what I mean? And you feel me? I came to America when I was like what, 5? And like pretty much like, you feel me? Like growing up, spiritual shit wasn't like strange to us. You know what I'm saying? Uh the Haitians have this term called when you come from Gunlaku and all that, you know what I'm saying? Which basically means that like you come from a family that serves the spirits and you feel me? They take it serious. That's basically what that means when somebody say they from a Gunlaku. That means that like that family is in tune. You know what I mean? Like that means that family is like, you know, that family serves and shit. And I come from a family that serves, so it's like, I guess that's how you could say I got introduced to the spirits. You feel me? I got introduced to the spirits through my family, primarily my mother. You know what I mean? Uh, she was basically the one responsible for. She's the one responsible for like all of the spiritual shit. Um, and her side of the family. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Um, for me, like I just used to see shit while I would be sleeping and shit. You know what I mean? Like I would just see shit, and it's like the shit I would see would become a reality or whatever. So you know, certain things you can't ignore, man. Like when you have certain dreams and all that, and they come true consistently on a regular basis and shit, it's hard to ignore shit. You know what I mean? It happens once, all right, coincidence. Twice, okay, I might be bugging. But every fucking day, bro, nah. You can't ignore shit like that, bro. When you having certain dreams every fucking day. You feel me? Like you literally predicting the future every fucking day. You go to bed, you wake up. You go to bed, you predict the future, you wake up, whatever you predicted becomes true. So that's how I really got into the shit. You know what I mean? That's how I got involved in all that. You feel me? And I don't know, man. I just used to dream certain dreams that made me feel as if made me feel as if I don't want to say their names, but whatever. I had certain dreams that made me feel as if Danto and Fueda were like, you know what I mean, interested in contacting me. And you know what I mean? I did research and I was like, oh shit, like this research is on point. Like, you know what I mean? And like basically after doing research, I'm like, nah, this shit is like, you feel me? Like this shit, there's no coincidence here, man. There's no fucking coincidence here. And I will fall in line, but then I will get blessed. And I will say, fuck that shit. I don't care about that shit. Then I will go back to where I started. Then I'll fall in line again. I will get blessed. Then I'll be like, this shit is too much for me, man. I don't got time to be lighting candles and all this crazy shit. So I would fall back again. Eventually, that was how it started from the beginning. Fall in line, fall back. Fall in line, fall back. You feel me? And you feel me? Like eventually, one time I felt back, and I just didn't like. I just felt as if this time around they weren't with really letting me fall back and shit. You feel me? So I started looking for help. Unfortunately, at the moment, I didn't really necessarily trust my relatives. I didn't grow up around them and shit. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't really trust them, bro. Like, the way shit happened, the way my mother died and all that, like, you know what I mean? I ain't trust them niggas. I'm not saying that I was right for not trusting them. You know what I mean? But that's what it is. I ain't trust them at the moment. You feel me? And basically, like, I came across a gentleman who is now like my Papa Kunzo. He's the gentleman that initiated me into voodoo. He's the gentleman that aided me in accomplishing a lot of my goals spiritually, like doing what I need to do for the queens. I don't know. I don't really like saying their names like that, you know what I mean? But I think you guys know who I'm talking about. Don't throw it for that, you know what I mean? So he helped me out with a whole lot of that shit, and yeah, man, like, that's kind of how I really got into it. And that's, you feel me? I'm gonna just do a next video to describe, like, I'm gonna do a next video. I'm probably just gonna upload them both at the same time, by the way. You know what I mean? I just don't want to upload a long ass video. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna do a next one right after I record this shit. I'm gonna do a next one talking about, like, my experiences once I, like, actually got involved with Haitian VODOU, and you know, yeah. But yeah, yo, listen, if you watching this or whatever, cause I don't know who be watching this shit. I be uploading shit. I be expecting, like, to get 1 view, 2 view, 3 view. You know what I mean? But one time, like, when I came from Haiti, I looked at my shit, and then, like, Frida's video had, like, thousands of views. And then I look, and I'm like, I thought this video got thousands of views too. And I was just like, yo, this shit is jumping right now. Like, yo, shit, niggas is actually watching this shit. You feel me? So with that being said, if you're watching this shit and, like, you feel me, you got questions and shit, you want to learn more, obviously I'm not going to tell you shit that you're not supposed to know. You feel me? But as far as, like, basic questions that I am able to, you know, educate you guys on, I will. So feel free to ask your questions, and if I'm not able to answer it, I will simply tell you that, unfortunately, I am not able to answer that question. And normally, if I tell you I'm unable to answer that question, that pretty much means that I am basically not able to answer that, bro. Like, you feel me? Certain shit you can't answer. So, see, that's how true it is. The light turned off by itself. That means video done. Ask questions, whatever. Comment, like, subscribe. You heard?